In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 10Web AI Builder. By the end, you'll go from a blank slate to a polished website that's ready to publish, all with the help of AI, and you won't have to touch a line of code. Start by heading to 10web.io. Click Get Started for free, then sign up using your email or continue with Google. Once your account is created, log into your dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll launch the AI Builder and manage everything about your site. From the dashboard, click Create a new website with AI. You'll be asked to choose your site type. Pick Informational Website. If you're building a portfolio, blog, or company site, choose Online Store if you plan to sell products. Click Next to continue. This choice helps the builder set up the right structure and features, so pick the option that best matches your goals. Next, add your business details. Select a business category, enter your business name, and provide a brief description or answer the prompts the AI gives you. Choose your language and style preferences to guide the tone and visuals. When you're done, click Next or Finalize. The AI will use this information to generate your text, layout, and images, so be specific and clear. Mention your audience, services, and any key differentiators. Now let the AI do its work. The builder will create your site based on your inputs. This usually takes a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll see a congrats pop-up letting you know your draft site is ready. Click Preview and Edit to open your site in the 10Web Builder, which is based on Elementor. Here, you can tweak the design, content, and layout, drag and drop sections, update headings and paragraphs, and swap out images to match your brand. If something doesn't fit, you can resize elements, adjust spacing, and refine colors and fonts for a cohesive look. Take a moment to check how your pages look on desktop and mobile within the editor. If you need more pages, go to AI Builder and choose Add Page. You can generate with AI by describing the page you want, use AI Recreation to convert an existing URL into a similar layout, or start with a blank page. Enter a page title and a short description, then click Generate. When it's ready, click View and Edit to customize it just like your other pages. Finally, connect your custom domain, set up hosting, 10Web includes hosting, and enable SSL for a secure connection. Publish your website and you're live. After publishing, visit your pages as a visitor would and make any final refinements for clarity and consistency.